How confident are you that you have full visibility of all your clients' assets and that you will retain oversight of those assets when they transfer to your clients' heirs? If you hesitate for even a second to answer, then you need to see what Covet can do for you. Covet helps your clients aggregate all their assets, map out beneficiaries, and generate always up-to-date estate documents. With Covet, you will increase assets under management, you will gain visibility into the full picture of their wealth, and you will increase client stickiness and retain the next generation of clients. My name is Michael. I'm here with my colleague Christy. We're going to demonstrate Covet for you today. Covet is the destination for the active management of all estate assets, including the often overlooked cataloging of personal property, valuables, and digital assets. As you know, the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of mankind is happening right now. It's affected my own family. My father hired an attorney to prepare his documents for him. And over the course of his lifetime, he accumulated a lot of valuable assets in the form of personal property. His quickly out-of-date estate documents did not address these well, and to make matters worse, he now has dementia and no one can locate his documents. I'm left thinking about my own family. I want a digital solution that doesn't get lost, and my kids won't even build a Chipotle burrito with another human being. They order it on the app and have it sent right to the door. So given all of this, I partnered with some very smart people, and we created Covet, which Christy is going to demonstrate for you now.
Thank you, Michael. This is Covet, a modern dynamic view of your client's entire estate, and also the main dashboard of the platform. To the left, we can see that this is Ben's vault, and his family members are Clara, his spouse, and Effie and Aries, his children, and beneficiaries. To the right, we see physical assets, bank and funds, and digital files. Today, you have some visibility into your client's bank and funds, but not likely their physical assets or digital files. With Covet, asset values update automatically, and your clients have photo AI capture technology to value and organize their assets within minutes. Let me show you how that works. So Michael has a watch. I take a picture of it. I then upload it onto Covet. Covet then uses AI to go to public markets, find similar items, and suggest a market value. Voila. If you're interested, come to our booth. We'll do something special for you. I can then save it, and this is added to my estate. I can then even designate this to my beneficiary. I've shown you a watch today, but this can be your client. Yacht, artwork collection, anything with significant sentimental and monetary value that most people forget about. No friction and no spreadsheet means a lot less procrastination. Why does that matter? Well, incomplete client data leads to missed opportunities. Covet shows you what's usually hidden so you can ask better questions, know your families, know those relationships, and that's how you have trust, and that's how you build relationship. Speaking of visibility, an advisor or financial institution typically only sees 70 to 80% of clients' entire net worth. Here's a real example. We have an advisor who saw 1.2 million in clients' investment accounts across Schwab and Vanguard. Within a week of using Covet, they discovered 100K in idle cash across Wells Fargo and Citi. So during market bottom a couple of weeks ago, they were able to call their clients and roll that extra cash into managed strategies. With Covet, they also saw 30K in retirement assets that's usually scattered. They're able to consolidate that and rebalance that portfolio. With Covet, they also saw one life insurance policy for Ben, but missing one for Clara, the spouse. So within just 1 week of onboarding, the advisor was able to increase managed AUM by 100K, find those estate gap, and add value for clients immediately. Whereas before, they would only engage with clients on their estate perhaps once a year. And as a financial institution or an advisor, here's how you see that information. Covet generates an estate summary that contains everything. Every time your clients make a change for assets or beneficiaries, that information gets updated in this report. And the data that goes into this report feeds into an opportunity report for you, so you have client touch points, so you have something to call your clients about more regularly. Now, when you offer Covet to your clients, they don't just organize their bank accounts. They also catalog the personal and digital files that means the most to them. This creates emotional buy-in and connection to the planning process. And once everything is organized, families are a lot less likely to start over elsewhere. We know that financial institutions and advisors tend to lose control of assets when clients pass away. This is the issue with the great wealth transfer, right? We have an advisor partner, a large nationwide RIA, told us that beneficiary retention upon wealth transfer was only 4% before using Covet. What percentage of heirs are you anticipating to retain? With Covet, in this case, you have a relationship with Ben today, and Ben's net worth is $2.5 million. But when Ben passes, where does the money you're managing go to? With Covet, you can see that wealth splits 50-50 to the beneficiaries. So with that insight, you can start engaging with the next generation early on, build that trust, position yourself as a family fiduciary, be alongside them in every stage of life, so when the time comes, they trust you and you're indispensable. Thank you, and back to you, Michael.
Thanks, Christy. So as you can see, Covet isn't just another tool, it's a transformational platform that empowers you to deepen relationships with clients, gain visibility into the full picture of their wealth, and retain the next generation. With Covet is how you secure your relationships with next-gen clients, by meeting them where they already are. They're digital first, they're emotionally connected to these assets, and they are seeking simplicity. The great wealth transfer is underway. The question is, will you be a part of it, or will you let it pass to someone else? We'd love to show you how you can integrate Covet into your practice today. Let us position you as the advisor that goes beyond investments and bringing structure and clarity to your clients' entire financial lives. Come visit us at our booth, and we will show you how we can onboard your clients and the client insights we can share with you, or visit covet.life and explore for yourself. Thank you.